Welcome to Phone Transformer, your go-to channel for transforming your mobile experience. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best weather apps for Android to help you stay ahead of the forecast. We'll break down each app, highlight its best features, and give you a quick tour of its interface. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list is Weather and Widget, Weawow. This app boasts a solid 4.6 star rating from over 669,000 reviews on the Play Store. Weawow stands out as a free and ad-free weather app, beautifully enhanced by stunning weather-related photos contributed by photographers worldwide. The main purpose of Weawow is to provide accurate weather information in an aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly way. Here are 3 standout features. Beautiful forecast. Weawow presents weather information alongside captivating user-submitted photos that visually represent the current weather conditions. Widgets. The app offers highly customizable widgets, allowing you to display essential weather information directly on your home screen in various styles and layouts. Detailed weather. It provides comprehensive weather data, including temperature, humidity, wind, pressure, UV index, visibility, and more, so you have all the specifics at your fingertips. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. When you first open Weawow, you'll land on the home menu, which immediately greets you with the current weather conditions overlaid on a beautiful photo. If you tap the hourly option, you can quickly see a detailed breakdown of the weather changes throughout the day. Tapping the 3 horizontal lines in the corner opens up the main side menu, where you can access various settings and customization options. You'll also find a search icon at the top, letting you easily look up weather for other locations. And right next to that, the current locations icon quickly brings you back to your precise local weather. At number 4 on our list, we have AccuWeather. This app, with a 3.6 rating and 2,000 reviews on the Play Store, is a crazy powerful weather app that delivers hilariously twisted forecasts. Here are 3 standout features. Meet Carrot, the hilariously twisted weather app. Carrot provides weather updates with a unique, sarcastic, and entertaining personality. Eerily accurate weather data with a 99% chance of snark. The app utilizes Foreca's accurate data to give you precise current, hourly, and daily forecasts, all delivered with Carrot's signature wit. Tons of meteorological goodness right at your fingertips. Beyond basic forecasts, Carrot offers in-depth weather information and engaging content. Now, let's take a quick tour through the app's interface. First, we see the home menu, which gives you a quick overview of the current weather. Tapping on Weather Alert brings up any active weather warnings or important notifications for your area. The Share icon allows you to easily share the weather forecast with friends, perhaps even with Carrot's humorous commentary. At the top of the screen search session, you can look up weather for any location worldwide. Finally, the 3 dots button opens up additional options and settings, letting you customize your Carrot weather experience. At number 3 on our list, we have Weather Data and Microclimate Air, an app by Weather Underground. It holds a solid 4.3 star rating from an impressive 556,000 reviews. This app is designed to provide you with hyper-local weather forecasts, offering precise current conditions and updates from the closest weather stations, truly at a microclimate level. Here are 3 standout features. High-res radar and satellite images. This feature allows you to view sophisticated weather visualizations, including detailed satellite and cloud cover imagery, helping you track weather patterns with great clarity. Today's weather conditions. Get up-to-the-minute information about your local weather, including temperature, feels like, wind speed, humidity, and more. Explore heat maps and more. Dive deeper into weather data with interactive maps that can display various overlays, including heat and temperature maps, providing a visual understanding of conditions. Now, let's take a quick tour through the app's interface. Upon opening, you'll see the home menu, which provides an overview of your chosen location's current weather. Tapping the 3 horizon lines in the corner opens up a side navigation panel, giving you access to various sections and features within the app. If you want to find the weather for a different place, simply tap the search icon to look up any location. The Current Locations icon quickly takes you back to your saved or current location's forecast. And finally, the Settings icon allows you to personalize your app experience, from adjusting units to changing map types. At number 2 on our list is the Weather Channel, Radar. This app, boasting an impressive 4.5-star rating from 3 million reviews, serves as your essential guide to staying informed and safe from all types of weather. It's designed to help you prepare for everything from rain and hurricane season to allergy outbreaks, with accurate local radar and real-time notifications. Here are 3 standout features. The world's most accurate forecaster, the Weather Channel prides itself on providing highly precise weather predictions to help you plan your day with confidence. Track storms with 24-hour future radar. This feature allows you to visualize storm movement up to a full day in advance, aiding in hurricane preparedness and general safety. Get notifications and widgets at a glance. Receive real-time alerts and access key weather information directly from your home screen with customizable widgets. Now, let's take a quick look at the app's user interface. Upon opening, you'll land on the Home menu, which provides an overview of the current weather conditions for your selected location. Tapping on Hourly will bring up a detailed breakdown of the forecast for the next several hours, including temperature fluctuations and precipitation chances. Switching to Daily gives you a broader perspective, showing the forecast for the upcoming days, ideal for planning longer-term activities. The Notifications icon in the top corner lets you access and manage your weather alerts, ensuring you receive timely warnings about severe conditions. Finally, the Profile icon typically leads to your personal settings, where you can customize your location, notification preferences, and other app options. At number 1 on our list, we have AccuWeather Weather Radar. This highly rated app with a 4.1-star rating from over 2 million reviews is your trusted companion for free weather forecasts, delivering accurate and reliable information right to your fingertips. Here are 3 standout features that make AccuWeather a must-have. AccuWeather. Say goodbye to unpredictability with accurate and dependable forecasts that keep you informed. Severe Weather Alert. Get timely warnings for severe weather conditions, ensuring your safety and preparedness. Keep an eye on the details. Dive deep into weather data with comprehensive information on various weather aspects. Now, let's take a quick tour through the app's user interface to see its clean and intuitive design. When you open the app, you'll first see the Today option, giving you an immediate overview of the current weather conditions. Tapping on Hourly will present you with detailed forecasts hour by hour, perfect for planning your immediate activities. Moving to Daily provides a broader outlook for the coming days, helping you prepare in advance. The Radar and Maps section is incredibly useful, allowing you to visualize weather patterns with advanced radar imagery. Finally, the Watch Live option might offer live weather streams or news updates, keeping you connected to real-time events. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel for more app breakdowns.